Yeah, so here's a good one. This took some arm twisting from my co-pilot. But yeah, anyway, here's a PC400-5 LC. And there's a private guy here. He builds road over in Holberg, and he's got his hoe on the job out here. Got the CWS forestry cab on it. Got the freezer door lock handle, I see. That's pretty standard stuff. This is the mud mat. This is the first phase of a turbine hole here. And they go and build up from there with the mat and a big cage that they put the bolts and everything in. Anyway, he's just ballasting in a crane pad here, it looks like. So, oh, she's a big warrior, this one. So there we are. Who knows how many hours this machine's got on it and how much stories it's got to tell. Old Destech bucket. Anyway, so there it is. Short, sweet, and simple. PC400-5.